Hello everyone, this is Umar from Ecommerce Army. Today in this video I am going to tell you how you can integrate Google Maps with your Shopify store without any Google API key. So if you have a physical store and you are selling online as well and want to show your customer your physical location on your website, this is going to help you. Okay, so first of all we need to search on Google Maps. Yes, from here you have to select Google Maps. So after opening Google Maps, here you have to uh, enter your desired location. So for example, I have entered London, UK here. So this is my location. So from here, I am going to click on share. Here you will go to embed a map. There are different sizes. You have to select size of your own choice. There is medium, large. Also you can select your own custom size as well. Here you can add your dimensions. Sorry. Yes. So by going into custom size, you can have your own size as well. Add your desired dimensions here and copy HTML. So for now I'm going to select medium size. So from here click on copy HTML and go to your Shopify store. Go to your contact us pages. We will show our map here in contact us page, and click on this show HTML button and paste that embed map code here and click the save button. So from here we are going to view page. Here it is, you can see we have our map. So this is how you will embed your Google Map on your Shopify website without any Google API key. So if you like my video or looking for any help or any consultation, you can contact me on Skype. I am putting my profile and Skype link in the description. Thank you. See you in the next video.